Alright, so we're making progress here. We got the 10 by 10 door, working on putting the walk through. Got little Wayne out here working on it. But we're getting there. Moving on. So I got my brother Wayne, my nephew Connor. Where'd Chase go? What's he doing? And Chase keeps disappearing. Let's go see what he's doing. Surely it's something to do with this shop. Hey!
Hey.
What are you doing?
Stripping my car down.
There's a job going on out back.
This is a job too.
No, Cat. This is important what's happening out here.
I know. That's why I need expertise putting it together.
Come on. I ain't scared of that drill. Come on. Come on out.
Y'all done put a trailer where I'm supposed to be?
No. This is the hot project right now.
It is.
If those two guys need something, you get it. How can you be in here getting what they need?
There's a hole in the wall that they can say, Jay.
No. Stay right with them. Stay right with them. Where'd you go? I turned the camera off for 1 minute and you're gone.
Hey, Chase, back him up.
Sound a little different?
Sounds a little better.
It ain't got no body choking it down.
Yeah. I think it's time to wash it.
Yeah, I would say it's only been like a month ago.
Where's it going?
Is that what you've been to do finally?
Yeah. Fine.
Nah. He's been working on other people's stuff, and me and Wayne's out here working on the shop, so I guess he's gonna get right up in our way.
In the middle of y'all's
Yeah.
work.
If I get one drop of overspray on it, I'm going home.
We wouldn't expect anything left, Cat.
No.
So you went and saw Mr. Ronnie Rogers
Sure
this
did.
morning at Wall to Wall.
Brought my little motor to him.
Yeah, the little crate.
Yep. And we're inquiring about getting another little crate built from him.
That's right.
They're in over there right now.
Hey, Cat.
It's
Well,
time to update the front end too.
it ain't gonna wash itself.
No.
Get to work.
That ain't getting it done.
Sometimes you can't pick your help. You just got to take what you can get.
You're right. If I could pick differently, I would.
Would you?
No.
No. Well, me
I
neither, Jack.
can't afford nobody else.
There you go. Well, me neither. But we getting it done. We framing up this end. That end's already framed up. Chase and we're gonna try to do this. Put these purlins up. Frame this door in. Come over to here. We're gonna try to bring it across there. Looks like a lot, but we're moving on. got it? What you doing?
I'm holding it while you over here combing your hair.
All right, well, let me get in here and help you. Look like you're in a bind.
I am.
Man, don't get too close to this. All right, y'all, it's been a long day. It is 5:23. Bowed up. We got these purlins here. Got those 3 over there up. I gotta figure out something right up there at the roof. Same way up here. I guess I'm gonna have to do what I did on my original shop. I put purlins up in there. I had to cut each one out. And I guess that's what I'm gonna have to do up here. I'm not looking forward to it, but that's what I gotta do. That's what I gotta do. So we're getting here. We're putting another walk-through door right here. That's why I didn't do nothing there yet. I just have my clips here, but gonna have a walk-through door right here. What's up, Matches? What's going on, kitty cat? Best cat ever. What's going on, y'all? It is Saturday evening, about 4:15. Turn this light on. I actually just knocked off for today. I've been working on these pieces up here. Each one of these in between the purlins, I had to put those up there where the 10 can go up to it. Real time-consuming little pieces right there. Once I get those done, I just got the call that all my metal's in for this side right here. Then I got to measure out all this metal here. But we're moving on pretty good. But I got to get inside, fixing to eat dinner, and we were told we're having a family meeting. So I don't know what that's about, but I guess y'all will find out when I do. Let's head in. What is going on?
I don't understand,
it's
but
an
I'm
early
really
Christmas.
like kind of.
What's in do y'all remember last night when I said
Tomorrow's Monday.
Tomorrow's what?
Her day. Right.
Just the
anyone
morning.
remember?
I remember vividly.
Okay, thank you.
What we doing?
We've been hiding this for a while.
Hush! We don't hide things. I just need you to shave tonight. Both of you.
Holy crap.
I already guessed it. 10 o'clock sharp.
Hell no.
I picked out your outfit Tuesday night, Chase.
You already got your outfits.
We stole it out your closet.
Mom,
Hmm.
what did you get for Christmas?
I was hoping for an early Christmas present.
I told you not to get your hopes up.
All right, folks, it's an exciting day. You can see the excitement in everybody's face. It is family photo day. We're taking some, I don't want to call them Christmas photos because this will probably be,
Like 20-year photos.
yeah. So, everybody's excited.
Licking her eyebrows.
No, she's wiping tears. Chase, let's see what you got on, buddy.
Yeah, please go talk to Chase about that.
Hey, I'm busy right now. I'm watching people build houses out of saran wrap.
So you're wearing shorts?
No, I don't even have to stretch these.
Oh,
Hi,
Hey.
how are you? Come on in.
all right. So as I was saying, she's here. Mom's gone. This is Mom's thing, and we all are gonna.
Chase and Chavis show.
No, this ain't no Chase and Chavis show. We are all going to happily take these photos, and we're gonna cooperate. we're all gonna cooperate.
It's freezing outside.
No, I think they're trying to find the perfect spot out there, but
Perfect spot. Just magical.
we want to get in front of the tree. Oh yeah,
They're not Christmas pictures.
you're right. So anyway, it's actually been 7 years ago since these pictures was taken. Ruby was little bitty. Let me see if I can find. Let me see if I can find these photos. Yeah, this is it.
Wait, I thought they were the ones that we took in our
Look at that
house.
dude. And this would have been Avery.
We're good.
See her back behind there. Yep, yep.
I don't know.
And-
Oh, it's in the hallway.
Oh, look how sweet.
So sweet.
So this is what we're doing.
What are we not gonna believe, Chase?
Pants are dry.
My jeans is dry.
All right, we'll put them on. No more headshots for you. Look like you're gonna get full frame now. All right, so here we go. Here we go.
Good. Good. Leaning in. Eyes right here. Good. Go ahead, turn on them.
Smile.
What's your favorite kind of ice cream?
Chocolate.
Chocolate with sprinkles? With Oreos, maybe? Mmm. Good. All right.
Come on, Chase.
You, sister, come stand up. Stand up.
Fits you great after this morning.
What did you say?
Huh?
What did he just say? What did you say?
You just went from Mama Squirrel to Mama Bear.
Oh, you were Mama Squirrel earlier.
Chase has a YouTube channel,
Uh-huh.
and that's what they call me, is Mama Squirrel
Mama Squirrel.
on the YouTube channel.
Put that hand in that pocket.
In the pocket?
Yeah, aw. Complete family photo.
The
Eyes
cat's
over
in.
this way. Good smiles. Matches. Kitty kitty. Ruff, ruff. Meow. There you go. Good tease. Coming in. Good. And one more. Sister, loose it up nice and tall for me. Come right here a little bit more. Squeeze in. You can get that. Yep, perfect. All right. Robot sister.
So we moved to the woods. What y'all talking about? Is something y'all want to say?
While we're right here, has anybody ever seen the movie Masterminds on Netflix?
What's your point?
Bald person?
Just seeing y'all two take photos, it just
That's what it
brings me
reminds
to
you
a
of.
happy place.
We ought to do some creepy photos. That music they got in the background.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Masterminds tonight. We're watching it as a family.
We've watched it like
Pay attention. Pay attention. Everybody focus.
I can't really, because it's not clean to say on camera, but I've been saving that for years.
Anyway. Oh wow. Dance music.
Yeah. Turn that 10 look way around.
Oh, you're
Ruby,
cute, Avery.
Ruby, behave.
Oh, you cute, Abe.
Good smile. Good. Eyes right here. Good. She's so pretty. Look down over that shoulder.
Look, we need photos of y'all
Let me see. Let me see what you're working with.
Let me see. Let me see.
Oh,
on the
Lord.
swing.
So turn that head. Be dramatic with the hair though. That looks so good. Hold it cute. Good. Aw.
That's a fake smile.
Let me get something out of the
Make
car.
those. Good.
Eyes up.
Good.
Chase, try to look better than your dad. I mean, you're not doing a good job at this with your fake smile.
Let's hope you don't. There we go. All right, Dad, come over. Put your elbow on him. Lean it in. Good. Can you put that other one in your pocket? That looks
Oh,
handsome.
look, he's a professional.
Oh, work it, Dad. Bring him in. Good smile. Good. Got it. Now I'm happy. All right, y'all get out of here. Let me get just the girls. Come here, girls. Here you go. Come here.
Yeah, we need this reflector on her, not on you.
So she gets wall. All right, Mama. I'm thinking I'm gonna face you this way a little bit because I like your part over that.
Oh.
Good.
Hey, baby.
Where's she at? She found us. Oh.
Pay attention to the camera.
Oh.
One big turn.
Oh, I'm feeling rain.
Ruby,
I'm feeling rain.
way out.
Okay, we'll hurry.
Avery, back up.
Brother's looking out for her.
No, he's being
Dramatic.
What's it been, 30 years?
Okay, so that is right. So I know. So the main goal is into the chest and look over at me. So however we have to get there.
This is gonna be a train wreck.
Good. I got it. I love it. I'm happy. Oh, that's so good.
And that concludes our photo shoot. Glad it's over. I know Mama's happy, so it's all that matters. And we got family photos for the next 7 or 8 years. So let me get our bench back inside. We're done.